work on Zapier MCP. So we're gonna go to Zapier MCP, just a regular Google search. We're gonna go to the first one and get started. Just make an account, it's free. Once you have it, you're gonna have an URL like this. Keep in mind this is like your API key, just like your password. And then go to edit MCP actions. Once here, add a new action. Once you add it, it's gonna look like this. And let's type a new action. For example, we're gonna put Gmail and we're gonna send a new email. Okay, so here is my Gmail account. Who is this email gonna be sent to? I'm gonna put to a specific address, in this case to myself. Okay, here I'm gonna type my email. And then on the subject, we're gonna let AI guess based on whatever we ask. And the body of the email, pretty much also based on what we're asking for the AI, right? We leave everything like that. We go to enable. Perfect, he's enabled because he's green. Now we have to go to cursor. So first, let's take a look at cursor. If you don't have it, just go download it. I'm gonna show you that right now. In cursor.com, you will be able to download it for macOS. With that being said, let's go ahead to Zapier MCP. Once we're back in the main page of Zapier, we are gonna go ahead and click on cursor. Once in cursor, keep in mind you can also do this with other platforms like Windsurf or Cloud Desktop, but we're gonna choose cursor. All right, so pretty much what it's doing is it's creating an action for the LLM to access. If you know how AI agents work, pretty much this is telling the AI agent, if you need to do this, call this code, pretty much. So it's like an API. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and copy right now. And now the rest, we're gonna do it on cursor here. So let's open cursor. Okay, looks like it was updated. Perfect. So we're gonna start a new chat. Okay, and now we are gonna add our MCP. So we are going to go to the top. We're gonna go to cursor, then cursor settings. Once we're here, we go to MCP. It's gonna look like that. Just put add a new global MCP server. I'm gonna put mine here. This already has your URL. You don't have to copy and paste it. Everything is already here. And then we're gonna ask something here. If you don't have it and you have it only like this, you go Command I on a Mac, and there you go. So we're gonna talk to this file, and we're gonna ask, let's say, write a little poem for AIs, just whatever. And then while it's doing that, that is just an LLM right now, we are going to also ask, let me open this. Okay, so now we're also going to ask, oh, there you go. So in this case, I didn't even ask for an email to be sent, and the LLM automatically assumed that that's what I'm looking for. So that's an interesting thing to have in mind. But I'm gonna put run the tool, and it's gonna call the MCP right now, and he's sending me an email. So apparently I just got that email. Let me take a look on my phone. The good thing about it is that I can open my phone here straight on my Mac. So as we can see here, the email has arrived from myself to myself. And let's take a look. There you go. A poem for AIs, digital dreams, and then the whole poem as a body. So imagine what you can do with this. That's a quick example. In this case, the AI shouldn't have sent any email, as you see. I've done other tests when firstly that's what I say, and then I have to specifically say send an email. But these are just considerations that you have to have with language models. That's why it's always good to have a human checking the output of these models for now. For now. So that's it for today. I hope you like it. Please let me know and enjoy it. The Zapier is for free and also Cursor is for free.